Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. My name is FX Ninja. Today in this video I will be showing you how to trade continuation in the market. When you analyze your charts and you find out that the market will start selling anytime soon, how do you trade the continuation? How do you know the market is going to sell? How do you know the market is going to buy? What are your confirmations? What are the things you look out for so as to continue in the trend of the market? So majorly, basically, most times when the market is about to make a reversal, we have something like an hem pattern most times, and there will be a break of structure like this, and you have the market moving back into that break, okay, and continue on its own. So but when we spot this kind of reversal pattern, or possibly there is another reversal pattern that can be like this, price coming back to clear liquidity up here, okay, and then reverse back down. So when and to break this structure, so when we see something like this and price break the structure, go back and later continue downward, how do we join this sell continuation? How do we join the sell continuation? So these are some of the things I want to show us in this video with the help of a particular system that will help us to know when the market is reversing. So let's head into the chart and to see some things. So majorly, before you start anything, you want to make sure you have done your top-down analysis in the market. Looking at the volatility 50, for example, now using our top-down analysis, if you care to have a top-down, to know about top-down analysis, we have a premium content on that. It's a premium content. You can contact me, the admin, to get that. All right. But if you know how to do your top-down analysis, fine. You can, once you have done your top-down analysis like this, you know the market is going to sell. So we are going to use volatility 50 as an example. So having done this trend line stuff, and you want to switch back to the 4-hour time frame, okay, so we are going to look at what happened over here, that the market starts selling off from here down to this point. So this is a 4-hour time frame. You can see we have a double top here, okay. Extending this will give us a very good insight. We have a double top here, and the market broke this structure over here. Market broke a structure, price broke this structure over here downward, and what happened, it came back inside to clear liquidity up here, and before finally crashing down. So if this is being spotted, a break of structure, price reversing back, you can recollect what I said in here, a break of structure, okay, price, this is the perfect scenario, a break of structure, price reversing back, and that is the most perfect reversal pattern you can ever get in the market. So when you see price reversing back after breaking a structure, then continuing or giving us a sell confirmation from here, then you can know that the price is about to reverse. So if you go in here, maybe on the 1-hour time frame, you will see what happened, that price also did something there. And what does it do? Let's see. You can see that there was a clear of liquidity, fine, perfect. So there was a break of structure too, and price came back to retest this trend line, this neckline over here, before crashing down. But how do we join this crash of a thing? It's very, very simple. This is what we do. So once we discover that the market is trending down from our top-down analysis using the daily time frame, you can see after drawing this trend line, you know the market is going to crash down back into this trend line too. So to take that advantage, you have to switch to your 15-minute time frame, okay, or let's start from the 1-hour time frame, switch back to your 1-hour time frame as the case may be. Allow price, this is it. Now price has crashed down, start selling. You don't need to be in a rush. One of the things you just want to note is that this is the lowest part of this range. This is the low, this is the high, Okay, this is the high. So if you want to be preservative in your analysis, you have to allow the low, the current low, to be taken out. Okay, this current low to be taken out just this way. It was taken out. Okay, it was taken out here. This current low to be taken out. Once it is being taken out, then you allow price. It's just like a break of structure. It has been taken out. Then you allow price to go back into this structure. That is when you now look for a final sell. So how do you, once you've noted that, once you've seen that, all you need to do is grab your Fibonacci, okay, use it to see what is happening, and be sure that price is touching your 50 or 61.8 or the OB level before you continue looking for a sell continuation. So having seen this, there are other things you can use to confirm what is happening here. You can use your MACD, like we taught in one of our videos. You can use your MACD, which is a sentimental trading pattern, to know if the MACD is printing down over here, because all you are looking for is an entry. So once you see that MACD is printing down from here, then you can know that, okay, the price is about to start selling. And what happened when the MACD was printing down? There was a break of structure over here again, a break of structure over here again. Price go in back, then start selling. So that is what we have on the 1 hour time frame, and you can see price sold all the way down here. And what happened again? Price came back up. Okay, price came back up. You can use your Fibonacci again. Price came back up. What happened from this is the highest point. What happened? It touches the 61.8 level and crashed down again, so making two sell position here. So there is a system that we can use to get our perfect entry, because one thing about trading is not your strategy now, it is your entry point that really matters. So you want to make sure you have a good system that can help you to take the entry, the perfect entry, so that you don't have much drawdown. So you can see over here, like we said, after applying the system, say there is a break of structure here, okay, and we want to enter when the MACD start printing down, just like this. So in one of our videos we talked about the MACD. So you can see the system is bringing down a sell confirmation here corresponding with the MACD, and of course if you look at your left corner, you can be able to say, okay, where is the market ending going? So from here we can take our profits over here. At this point you can take our profits. So if you notice that the price also broke this structure, okay, this is also a structure, it broke this market structure here downward. What does price does again? Price move back into that structure, and if you notice, our MACD is printing down over here again. Okay, it's printing down over here again, and we can meaning that we have done our analysis from the higher time frame, knowing fully well that the market is on a sell trend. So we can draw our trend line to see what is happening in the market, and of course there is a test of the trend line, and we can sell from here, confirming with the MACD. So this is how you trade. You can see that putting up this, also extending the trend line, helps us to know that there is a trend line breakout over here, and as you can see, there is another sell signal here, okay, corresponding with this MACD selling down. You see that? So from here we have take 1, 2, 3 signals. Okay, even from here we can even take this signal if we know what we are doing. So we have taken 3 signals in continuation with the market, the trend of the market. So over here this trend line was being broken. Okay, it was being broken and market continue up. So from the continuation we try to look for more selling opportunity, because we know where the market is heading. Let's look at volatility, another volatility. Okay, this is volatility 10. Let's see the top down analysis on volatility 10. Let's see the top down analysis. Having done your top down analysis from the 1 hour from the daily time frame, you will see that there is a trend line, okay, that the daily time frame is respecting. Okay, you can see from here there is a trend line, meaning that this volatility 10 is on a sell trend. So we can go to our 15 minutes or 1 hour to continue taking the sell continuation. And how do we do that? Simply because we know the market is still coming to this end or coming to this trend line too. So we simply go to our system, go to the 15-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame, as the case may be, depending on which you want to analyze. There is a break of structure over here. There's a break of structure over here. Okay, so price comes back and does what? Retest. And from our, if we draw our Fibonacci, we see that the price has come into a 61.8 level and we have a signal. So any signal from the 61.8 level, it's a sell signal, and you can see that the price crashed down. We have another entry here. Even though there was a signal here, we will not take it because we are only looking for a sell trend, and we can see how price continue to move. So on the 15-minute time frame, you have a lot of signals. You have a lot of entry telling you to sell with the confirmation of the MACD. Over here, price is going to retest this place, and of course, or you draw your trend line like this. Okay, you can draw your trend line like this, waiting for price to hit this trend line and continue the sell trend. Okay, and continue the sell trend from here. So this is how to trade with this system using the continuation pattern. All you want to do is that you want to make sure whenever you get a signal is on the 61.8 level, and also it is what? It is correlated with the MACD. Just like we have several signals here correlating with the MACD, telling you that the price is going upward, and that is what you see. So once you have confirmed that the trend of the market, you want to analyze it with this arrow, with this signal, and you want to confirm it with the Fibonacci, and you are good to go. So we've been taking several signals before now. If you look at this also, on this is volatility 25. Okay, looking at this volatility 25 from our top-down analysis, it's about to sell. So if you look at this, double top over here, there was a double top over here. Okay, a double top over here. What happened here was a clear of liquidity upward. You can see price broke upward and clear liquidity here. You can see the that there is an indicator that is telling us this is a stop hunting zone. So from here down here is a stop hunting zone, which volatility 25 has finished the stop hunting. So the stop hunting is done right now. So you can see that this trend line has been broken down. So there is a retest going on, which means that price will come back to this side, to come back to this. Okay, to come back to this to form something we call like a QML, or some people call it the head and shoulder, but this is a QML anyway. So and then finally moving down, or price may not even reach this place. It might return from where we have this signal, because this signal is corresponding with what? With the MACD. So we will have taken a sell trade here because price is going to crash down. All right, and our stop loss can be just be behind this arrow. Our stop loss can be here, and we target this place. So you can see how much profit will be made from that. So this system is very, very powerful. You can see, let me quickly tell you something here. There is a break of trend line here, and you see that whenever trend line is being broken like that, price tend to get to where the trend line is being joined, which is this place. You can see that's why we have price. The trend line was broken. Okay, you can see the confirmation signal from this arrow at the top here that the trend line was being broken. It was retested and price came to this end. So for you to see this clearly, this retest clearly, because the trend line needs to be retested before crashing down, you can switch to 5-minute time frame to see if we have a signal there that confirms that sell continuation. So let's see. Remember, we are trading price continuation, which is one of the best. Instead of trading reversal, trading continuation is one of the best trading you can do. So you can see that price broke out here. Okay, price broke out here, went back to retest the trend line, and we have a confirmation signal telling us to sell. So you can see more sell confirmation. Price keep retracing, and we have another sell here. It retraces again, we have another sell here. It's retracing again right now, we have more sell confirmation telling us that this very level is going to be broken very soon. So once it's broken, we have more sell confirmation. So this is how the system works, guys. You can see on a larger level, we can see that price is still coming down totally to this side of the market. You can see where the price is going to. On a 15-minute time frame, you can see how much profit that will have been. So price is still coming back here, and it's going to be a massive profit, guys. So if we have entered from here, put our stop loss anywhere around here, we can, for a swing trade, you can easily target this position. So that's it from us, guys. This system is very amazing. In case you need the system or you want to have it, you can contact us, contact the admin from our channel. By joining our Telegram channel, you can contact the admin to know how to get the system. Remember, we also offer copy trading system. In case you want to copy our profitable trades, you are welcome. You'll be profitable, even though even as we are also profitable. So thank you for watching the video, guys. See you in our next video. I'm FX Ninja. Bye for now.